Hi guys, what's going on? So today, seeing it's a really nice day, the nicest day we've had in a long time, I thought I'd come out to Matlock in Derbyshire, more specifically Lumsdale Falls. There's amazing waterfalls and little lakes and stuff down here, and we're going to see if we can get some nice long exposure waterfall pictures. So let's get to it. Look at this place. Can you imagine if you lived in that house over there? You've got the little bridge, the lake, your house, and then waterfall down here. It's beautiful. Very jealous. Take some pictures. So I don't know if you can hear me, very loud. There's waterfall here. I've just taken a long exposure. Long exposure will allow the water to be a bit more creamier and smooth out a bit, and it'll give you a really nice shot. I've got it on a 1/6 of a second, f/22 at ISO 50, just to give me that nice level of creaminess to the picture. So I've just come down to this little waterfall. There's a lot of little cascades on it. I've set my camera up on a tripod here, and you want like a firm base on your tripod, so I've got this one that the legs come out quite far. So I've just come a little bit away from the water so you can hear me. That last photo was taken at 8 seconds, ISO 100, at around f/16, something like that. It was still a bit bright, so at 8 seconds. So I put a filter on there, a gradual filter, and that just sort of darkens it down, so you've got a nice exposure. And I think the picture works really well. So we're going to head on down and see what else we can find. there you go, that's Lumsdale Falls. A great place, some amazing waterfalls. This video didn't have a lot of talking in it because it was just so loud, but hopefully you enjoyed the pictures and the video that I took. So yeah, to remember, low ISO, long exposure, like 8 seconds, tripod, good sturdy tripod, and put it on a self timer, 2-second delay timer, eliminate the shake, and you might need ND filter just to darken it down so it's not overexposed. And these things will give you a really nice picture like you've seen in the video. So there you go. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, and comment, tell me what you thought, and I'll see you next time. See ya.